Hi, this is Jennifer Novak, California environmental lawyer. For businesses and property owners subject to environmental regulation, we can help prevent and clean up environmental legal messes. Today, I wanted to examine another famous quote that you've probably heard of. Ignorance is bliss. This has its origins in various passages from poems of the 17th and 18th centuries and stands for the proposition that if you don't know about a problem, it can't worry or hurt you. I'm sure this has a place in our philosophy, that we probably concern ourselves with problems that we don't need to know about. But unfortunately, it's not particularly good advice if you own a piece of property. I've heard this many times when clients first come to me. I wasn't aware of what was going on. I'm just the owner. I'm not the one who dumped that. I didn't own that business. I'm not a polluter. Or some other statement that shows it's a real shock to them that they might be held responsible for a problem they didn't create. If you've watched some of my other videos, you've probably heard me say that if you own a property and if the property turns out to have contamination or poses a threat to the environment, you own the contamination. As a property owner, you can be held strictly liable for pollution that exists on your property, even if someone else caused the condition. Now, under the right circumstances, you might be able to shift the legal responsibility to investigate and clean up the problem, but it's still going to cost you money, stress, and time to get to that point. And that's under an ideal situation. That's not the situation for most businesses and property owners. I know it's hard to confront these types of situations because it feels like you're getting more bad news than good. But when ignorance isn't a defense, you're better off arming yourself with knowledge. You might be able to minimize a problem, explore whether a legal defense applies to you, or shift costs. The first step in making that determination is talking to someone who can identify how ideal your situation is and help you weigh the costs and benefits and risks. We've helped many property owners and businesses facing that situation. And we're here if you want to schedule an appointment with us.